how to remove an auto-pasted component in a test description. That's the best way I can describe what I'm talking about. Notice that whenever I go to this test and I go through the directions, that it has this Honorlock notice. Well, this is not connected to Honorlock, and it took me a minute to figure out how to get rid of this. I had a difficult time with this, so I'm going to show you how I did this. So what I did is I kind of clicked in this area down here, and then I just did edit. I did select all, and then I did edit and cut. And thank you for cleaning out my instructions. That's some old COVID remnants right there I'm trying to get rid of. Be well and keep up the good work, mates.